believe that the bear drop that we've seen on the price of Bitcoin from this very area have come to an end at this very point, and right now I am expecting retracement in the market. Now, it may not be significant, but retracement is very, very necessary right now. Look at this very point. Market moved from this very area. This was the top of the market right here. That was $126,000. Market come back down. We have retracement. Market come back down, retracement, and then I believe this is the last leg that we've just seen in the market right here. Not only that, if you come to this very area, it is covered that liquidity have been grabbed from this very point. So we have a very important area that I've marked out before on this channel, and right now you see that the market have come down a little bit into this very fair value gap area, and I've been talking about this fair value gap. So there is a liquidity grab at this very point, so we should see a rebound in the market to the upside, and that is why I am looking at market going above 100k. Now this may sound very crazy. So in the presence of this very drop, I am still expecting the market to bounce to 100k or even above 100k in the next coming days. And that is why I have dropped this very anonymous pool on the Telegram channel. And you can see right here that the yes is 69% and 31 is saying no, market is going to remain below 100k in the next 12 days. Look at it right at this very point. So in the next 12 days, personally, I am expecting that the market should bounce off, okay, in form of a retracement, not impulsive move. Of course, we can begin to see impulsive move from here to the upside, but from here, I want to see the market bounce off above $100,000 in the next 12 days, and then we'll come down a little bit and then move upward. Now, it depends on the nature of the movement that is going to further verify if we're going to stay above 100k in the next 15 days after this very 12-day period. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now. I know that the market is dipping all the way to the downside. Market is fearful. Market participant is expecting the market to drop even much further. Some people are even talking about the market going below 8k. People are expecting even up to 75k before we can see any recovery in the price of Bitcoin. Obviously, I am not part of those. I have my personal opinion based on what I am seeing on price action and also technical data. So what I'm expecting from here is for the market to bounce off, okay? And let's see the market begin to have some kind of retracement of this very impulsive move that we just see from this very point to the downside. Retracement is needed right now, as soon as possible, and that is why this is very, very important. And if you come to ETH, for ETH, if you look at it right here, for those of you guys that have been following me on this very channel, you discover that these are the points that we've marked out before now on this very channel, and you discover that the market right here is at this same point. So what do you think about the markets? In my opinion, market should bounce off from this very area. So I'm expecting market to bounce off from here to the upside. Of course, if you look at from here, market come back down, impulsive move retracement, impulsive move retracement, market move impulse. And from the Elliott wave theory or pattern, it always, 3 legs of move before any retracement. And that is what I am seeing on this very price action. This should play out, in my opinion. Market should retrace from here again, just like we see this point and this very area. These are the things I am not paying attention to from this moment moving forward on the price of ETH. So from here, expect the market to move upward. Now, one thing very important on the price of ETH is that we've not seen liquidity grab. What that also means is that we can see the market come back down to grab liquidity from this very area or come into this fair value gap area, just like we see on the price of Bitcoin. See that where the market is at this very point is a fair value gap area, this very area right here. So we can see that happen on the price of ETH, that is market coming back down into this very point, grab liquidity and then begin to move upward. In any case, between this very point where the market is right now of $3,054 and this very area of 2,800, market should have a retracement, in my opinion, from this moment moving forward on the price of ETH. And this is very important. So if you want to trade ETH, I see that from here will be a nice area to consider a buy position or a long position moving upward. Although this should be a retracement, in my opinion, because this is an impulsive move retracement, impulse, or market break structure. Once structure is broken, then we can be very sure that the market is going to begin to move all the way to the upside. But for now, expect retracement. This is very important, especially if you've been following me on this very channel. And if you want to join this very Telegram channel, link in the description of this very video and also in the pinned comment to receive prompt updates from me and other community members. Join right now, link in the description of this very video and also in the pinned comment. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.